Alright everybody, it is clearance field trip time at the Dollar General. We are having a clearance event from March 1st to the 3rd, and you know you want to know. So come on in, like and share the video on your way in. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, welcome. This is a Dollar General field trip. And we do these on occasion because everybody needs to know what's going on at DG without having to go all the time. But if you live close by, you should. Alright, everybody. Please like and share the video and leave a 3-word comment. New guidelines from, well, YouTube. They are watching. So make sure you leave a 3-word comment, not just for me, but for any of your creators. Okay? Until YouTube changes something else. We truly appreciate it and love you for it. And know that you are really helping somebody when you do that. It's super important and only you can do it. So thank you. Alright, we are clearance looking today. We're going to go in and check out what is on the clearance aisle in this particular Dollar General. Because I'm scanning and scoping out which stores that I might want to go to get the items in which I need. And that's what you need to be doing as well. So your surrounding Dollar Generals that you normally don't go to, step out to. Okay? I got 3 or 4 that I don't go to all the time. Well, I'm going to step out to those and see what they have. There is an abundance of clearance on the Dollar General shelves right now. For whatever reason, I think it's just the back stock that they had from way back when. And once they started putting it out, it just became too much. So they're not getting rid of it as fast as they would like to. So, let's go on in the store. Find us some awesome deals. Do a little scanning. And a little pre-addition. Don't forget, guys, before we go in, hit that like button. And leave me a comment. Okay, guys, let's talk about clearance, because we have a clearance event starting March 1st to March 3rd, and we've got some awesome stuff on the clearance. Alright, I just want you to look right here at this $5.70 for the us razors. They're going to be like $2.35. No. Like $3.20, something like that. Awesome deal. Your Amber Febreze 360. It's one of my favorite scents. Gold Bond. We have coupons for this. This is going to be $2.20. These little boxes of Downy are going to be 50 cents. Now, I'm showing you these because sometimes these things are not over here on the clearance. They're on the shelf. So, if you see this on my video or anybody else's video, and you see them on the shelves on the clearance day, scan them, because it could be on clearance. We've got the Renewing Peony and Rose Oil Dove $6.75. It's going to be $3.35. Olay. And of course, coupons do apply. This is the Fresh Outlast Olay. We have another of the Dove. Some Onyx Nail Fungal stuff. We got a Glade Warmer. We've got Swab for $4.50, and that means they're going to be $2.25, and you got a $1 coupon. This is going to be $1. Oh, we have lots of the U.S. razors. These are really good disposable razors. Okay? See, this is a store that I would want to be at. For one, this stuff here does not go bad. That's an awesome deal. Number 2, this is some killer stuff, literally. This would be $2.50. This stuff is super expensive normally. Okay, this is a small can. So for $5 you could get, a couple more cans. And it's really good stuff. These are going to be $1.50 or less. I see some Dove hair up there for $5.85. Milk bones for $2.07, something like that. $2.08 more than likely. Oh, there you go, the shampoo, the Dove shampoo. More Suave shampoo. What we got way back here? We got some Palmer's massage lotion, some Icy Hot. That'd be $2.50. And these would be some of the things that I'm after right here. This would be like $2.40, and hopefully the Airwick coupon that we have will attach. So, yeah, $2.40. Hair dye, also something that I usually get when I get clearance. Okay, if it's the right color. These would be $1.50 for the Cozy Place Citrus Blossom Bamboo Air and Fabric. I know nothing about this stuff. I've not tried it. Oh, but look back here, hiding in the corner, we got more Airwick, guys. The Airwick. This thing right here will be $6. Yep, $6. Less than $6, actually. And there's another refill back there. Yeah, this might be a place where I would be. We have lots of Glade candles. More of the Febreze. Like I said, my favorite Febreze. And of course, we've got the Glade Bubbly Berry Splash, $1.65. That's going to be like 75 cents, something like that. 80 cents. Yeah, 82 cents, something like that. Yes, winner. All of those Glade ones. And I think we will, I'm not sure if our urn will still be good for that or not. I see more Dove shampoo and conditioner back there. Root to End will be $2.25. The Herbal Essence Head and Shoulders. We have coupons for the Head and Shoulders. This is going to be like $2.40 for this Shea Butter Conditioner Head and Shoulders. Tresemme, we got a 5 off of 2. And you're going to get 2 of them for $5.20. Oh my gosh. Look at all this, guys. Oh, more Tresemme. More Glade candles. Like I said, that's more of what I'm looking. Look at that, $2.35 for the Hawaiian Breeze. Big candles. And hopefully we'll have some new urns on that. And the Unstoppables, these are $10. They'll be $5 and change. More than worth it, because that's $2.50 a piece, something like that. Containers, more Airwick. Look at that big thing of Airwick down there, guys. $9, $3.50 minus your coupon, because we always have coupons for Airwick. Alright, this Sunday, make sure you get a newspaper. Not sure what paper coupons are going to be in there, because I've not been getting paper coupons lately. Oh, look at this coffee. $4 for this box of breakfast blend. Starbucks coffee. IHOP, $3 and change for the chocolate chip flavored coffee. Oh, and we got more Airwick refills. Look at this. Now see, this is going to be me. Look at all these Airwick refills. So this is going to be a store that I will be visiting. This will be my first store that I will be visiting right here. And I will be picking up all of these that I can get, because they don't go bad, most importantly. And I use them a lot. We even have this Gain Scent Moonlit Breeze double one. Okay, and we do have a coupon for this right now. Don't know what we'll have come March 1st. sanitizers. We got some medications for various items. More Gillette. This lotion, guys. This lotion right here. You've got coupons for this. This is going to be $3 and change. Might be $4.10, something like that. Nah, $3 and change is what it will be. And then you've got a $3 coupon off. You got the Dr. Teal's. I mean, so much stuff on clearance this time. These foam plates. Oh my gosh. These will be $1.50, 60 cents, something like that. 70 cents. These are $5.25 for this big box of sensitive skin band-aids, so $2 and change. You've got shower curtains, underwear, socks, toys. Oh, craft stuff. We've got the air-dried clay. That'd be $2.05. So if you thought that might be something that you would want to play with, literally, it could be done really cheap. And, you know, summer is coming. You need stuff for the kids to do. This is a good idea. You know, get some of this. Art projects for the kids to do. Things like this. Keeps them busy during the summer. And you'll get them half price. Right here. We got, you know, they can make slime. We have these little learning boards. We've got a double of micro band. Oh, somebody's talking. We got the double micro band. That'd be $5 and change. We've got some True Living stain remover. We've even got a blow dryer, guys. We have lots of workbooks. Again, summer's coming. You can get these workbooks for 75 cents. So pick up some workbooks for the kids. Craft stuff for the kids. What is this? Oh, little toy. Got dominoes. More paper plates. Oh, look at here. Little gift. Pop-up cards. Be $2 a piece, if not cheaper. There you go, guys. I mean, come on. If you've never been to a clearance sale, don't you want to go now? Chic. Okay, we've got the Chic razors. $4.80. Alright. Hold up. $4.80. Right now, we got a coupon, I think, for $4 for this right here. So let me do a scan and see if it attaches. If it does, it won't make it to the clearance sale. And it did not attach. You know why it didn't attach? Because these are 3 counts. The new ones are 4 counts. Okay? That's why it did not attach. But they'll be $2.40. More than worth it. Come clearance time. And $2.40. Come clearance. We got yoga pants. Be $2. Yes. $2 for yoga pants. This is just one store, guys. One small aisle. The clearance is overflowing right now at the Dollar Generals. So this would be a great opportunity to get out and get stocked up. Or just get some stuff that you've been wanting to try, or just some stuff that you've been wanting in general. So there you go. One store down, and, well, we'll go see some more. And I'll see you then. Thank you for coming with me. Don't forget to leave a 3-word comment. It's truly appreciated. And, well, YouTube is now requiring it so that it counts towards our algorithm. Alrighty. I'll see you again real soon. Blessings.